My name is Tatenda Leopold Chakanyuka. I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm currently at Wuhan University doing my PhD. I am doing this video for IVC TV Pakistan. I would like to update you on the coronavirus in Wuhan. Currently, we've heard that more than 60,000 people have been infected and more than 1,500 people have died. And generally, the authorities, they are trying to do all they can to make sure that they put the situation under control. The city has been under lockdown for more than 2 weeks now. No public transport is allowed to come to Wuhan or leave Wuhan. No individuals are also allowed to leave or come to Wuhan. The same applies also to universities. Universities, they've also locked their dormitories and they are not allowing their students to go outside of the campus or to allow people from outside the campus to come to campus because they are afraid, if they allow people to go off campus, they might bring the virus to the campus, and which then making it a disaster, especially on campuses. Then it's life is so becoming very difficult, and especially for those who are staying off campus, because they have to go outside to buy groceries and to buy a number of things, especially on campuses. Then it's life is so becoming very difficult, and especially for those who are staying off campus, because they have to go outside to buy groceries and to buy a number of things for their use at their houses, which then making them a bit exposed to the virus. And at least for those who are staying on campus, it's some of them it's quite okay, because some universities are providing food and some detergents, masks and so forth. But for those universities which are not providing those things, it's becoming difficult, because students, they have to have money. They have to, for them to be able to buy groceries. Though some universities, especially those that are not providing food, they are providing services whereby they go and buy things for foreign students and bring them to them. But those students still, they need money. Banks and so forth, they are closed. So generally, it's becoming difficult. And also the fact that we are away from our families makes it more difficult. And when you are staying in isolation, you have to stay in your room, in the dormitory, and your family is back home and they are worried. You're also, stressed, living a lonely life. It's becoming, difficult life on a daily basis. But we are just hopeful that the situation will, get back to normalcy as soon as possible, and then we start living a normal life.